Dear student, this is fifth video on direct and inverse variation. I hope you are learning from these videos, and in this regard you may face problems because there are varieties of problems. Let us take few different questions. Today we will take two questions and let us see. The 5 men can paint a house in 18 hours. If 4 more men joined them, then find in how many hours they would paint. We know that number of men and time taken by them are inversely proportional because number of men will increase, they will take less time to complete the work. So let us prepare the chart first. Number of men and second is time taken. From the question first case, when there are 5 men, then they takes 18 hours to complete the work. So 5 number of men, then time taken is 18. Now what for the second? The question is if 4 more men joined, that means beside 5 4 more joined them, therefore the number of men becomes now 9, and we have to find the respective hours taken by them to complete the work. Since it is a case of inverse variation, so x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2, and put the values here. X1 is 5, x2 is 9, y1 is 18, and y2 is x. By solving we get x equal to 2 hours. Therefore for if there are 9 men, then they would take 2 hours to complete the work. Let us take one more. A fort had provisions that is for like food or arms etc. A fort had provisions for 300 men for 90 days, and after 20 days 50 men left the fort. Then how long would the food last at the same rate? Here also we have two quantities, the number of men and the number of days the provision, that is food, would last for. Since food is limited, therefore if number of men will increase, the number of days will decrease, because food is limited, and if number of men will decrease, then the provision, the food, would last for more days. Therefore clearly it is a case of inverse variation. Now the question is all about after 20 days. So first case is after 50 days, after 20 days, since 20 days had been passed and the remaining food was would last for 70 days. After 20 days the food would last for 70 days. For whom? For 300 men. But after 20 days, since 50 men left the food, therefore the number of person left is 250. Therefore the question is after 20 days we will observe that for 300 persons the food would have been last for 70 days, but since 50 persons left, therefore number of men is remaining 250, and obviously the food would last for more days, few more days. Let us take this x days. Obviously it is case of inverse variation. We will apply the formula here. X1 y1 equal to x2 y2. Here x1, x is first quantity and y is second quantity. This is x1 x2 y1 y2. Put the values and we get 84 days.